Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to go over another piece of essential kit that should be in your packs for a hike or your bug out packs. Any kind of pack you have, you should always have a first aid kit. Now this first aid kit here, this is a CVS Health first aid kit, and there's things in your kit that you're going to want other than what comes in a standard kit. This is about the minimum kit that I would say should be in your pack. This is about the minimum. The more prepared you are, because anything can happen. This is about the minimum I would recommend personally. So we're going to open this up and see what all's in this bad boy. Okay, now I've added a few things to this kit that did not come with this kit. I have added dental floss and a needle, and this will be in a later video, but you know, add one of these to your kit, a bent needle and dental floss. Also in this kit, it didn't have none of this, but super glue. Add some super glue to your kit. We'll cover these in another video, but this is a fast suture. It works great. Super glue was actually invented during World War II for use for sutures in the field, and it works great for that. So here we got some super glue, and this is actually suture material as well, but we're going to get into these in another videos, like I said. So I'm going to set these off on the side here. Now we're going to get into this pack right here and just kind of go over the basics that's in this pack. Now this is about, like I said, the minimum for a first aid kit. This right here is for headaches and pains, and it has, antiseptic tablets, after bites, some medicines, some ibuprofen, things like that in here. Now you have one for CPR and shock on this end here, and these have little packets in there to tell you how to administer these things. And in this one, if you notice, for the CPR and shock, you also have a space blanket, emergency blanket. Those are very handy, very useful items. In my opinion, they're a must-have. You also have these emergency first aid guides in this specific pack. Always keep one of these. It tells you the basic procedures for things. It has a pair of scissors also in this pack. You got blisters, stings, and splinters. It's got some Q-tips, things like that in there. Some, basic stuff. It's got a pair of tweezers. Get that. This is like little band-aids you can peel off there, little cloth style band-aids. Sprains and strains. It has that. It's got some gauze tape, some gauze, some oversized popsicle sticks, ice pack, like a nylon bandage. In this one here, you have bleeding, wounds, and burns. It's got, bigger pads, some rubber gloves, some gauze, things like that. Some of the good sized pads. You can see the size of those. And this one here, it's got cuts and scrapes, just mass band-aids. That right there, I would say, in my personal opinion, is a minimum requirement that you should have with you in the field. And I absolutely mean that as a minimum. And as a minimum, you know, with super glue and with dental floss and a needle. Like I said, this is a CVS brand. If you have a CVS in your area, this is actually inexpensive. This kit right here, these average $16.99 on average. You can catch them on sale, sometimes cheaper than that. Different CVS's, you know, depending on the areas, may have them at different prices. In my local CVS, these are $16.99 with the card, so $18.99 without the CVS card. I am not in no way sponsored or affiliated with CVS. We use those kits. Those are the kits that I keep in all of our packs. Myself, my children, we all have those kits. I keep one in my house. Like I said, I strongly recommend that, you know, you have a kit equal to that for a minimum requirement. And that to me is like bare basics. So at least something like that. I hope it was a useful video for you. If you like our videos, like, share, comment, subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Mickey Wilson Bushcraft and Survival. And until the next one, that's it for this one.